So believe it or not, we are at 1 year since we made our first video, and it went pretty quick.
Yeah, well, we've grown pretty fast in the past year, and we thank you guys for, being with us for the ride.
I think we should give something away.
We're going to be giving away a custom charcuterie board.
Not just one, 2 of them. And you're going to be the one to make it. It's not going to be one of these here. It could be similar, but this one's on you. Make it how you want. We're going to make it for you from scratch. This is going to be your idea, and we're going to roll with kind of our company motto.
You dream it, we build it. So the winner gets to work one-on-one with us to make your dream charcuterie board come true.
And we're going to ship it to you, and it's all free of charge as a thank you from us, from all of us, the whole team at Liberty Lumber Products.
There's going to be multiple ways to enter, multiple entries you can have. You can enter on libertylumberproducts.com, and that starts tomorrow and ends July 4th.
Thank you.